20 preset collaboration giveaway. Mechanics: watch this entire video without skipping or pushing the slider to the end. 2. Screenshot your watch history as a proof that you've watched the entire video. 3. Search for all preset collaborators channels. Chryzleen Presets, Amman Patro, Chryz and Erika Tolentino. Subscribe to their channels, watch and like their video giveaway and screenshot a proof as well. 4. In each 4 collaborators video giveaway you will find a 2-digit password, a total of 8 letters or numbers combination for all our 4 videos. Take note of the password and send it via direct message to www.instagram.com/Chryzleen Pineda, including all the necessary screenshots. Refer to step number 2 and step number 3. 5. Once you complete steps 1 to 4, comment done, and hashtag 20 collaboration giveaway in the comments section below. Here's the 5 presets that you will receive from our giveaway. Here's 15 more presets that you will receive from 3 preset creators. No spamming on the comments section. We'll cater to each one of you, so please wait patiently. 7. Read, comprehend and follow instructions carefully. Not following instructions might get you disqualified. 8. Leslie, enjoy editing and don't forget to tag us on your future posts using our presets. Share this video to your friends. Always note, no redistributing, no selling, no tweaking and owning of these presets. No sharing, download your own. Anyone caught will be dealt accordingly and will be banned from future giveaways.